Like in 2026, it's really the kind of thing where you could tell it to do kind of a wide range of tasks.
Leaked information reveals that Optimus will be fully autonomous in extreme environments, using cutting-edge AI to adapt to situations that haven't been pre-programmed. Its self-repair mechanism allows it to keep running without human intervention, while next-gen energy technology ensures sustained high performance over long periods. Most notably, an upgraded sensor system and navigation algorithms will enable Optimus to move with impressive agility and handle complex tasks beyond imagination. Specifically, in a post mentioning Optimus on X, Elon Musk revealed, "Starship departs for Mars at the end of next year, carrying Optimus. If those landings go well, then human landings may start as soon as 2029, although 2031 is more likely." We're not here to debate whether Musk's timeline is spot on, because let's be real, the success of Starship is still up in the air. But when it comes to Optimus and what it could do for humans on Earth and Mars, one thing's for sure, the future is already taking shape. If EVs are making the planet cleaner, then the AI inside Tesla's products is helping humanity advance faster, safer, and with less effort. But here's the thing, AI will always be just AI unless we bring it closer to humans. Take ChatGPT, for example. It has an immense amount of knowledge and data, but it can't do much beyond generating text or images. Simply put, AI can tell you the recipe for any dish, but it can't cook it for you. Forget for a second whether Elon Musk will actually succeed in sending Optimus to Mars. Back in late 2022, when he first announced the project, plenty of people were skeptical. A humanoid robot, what could it really do? Was this just another far-fetched dream? But month after month, year after year, we've watched Optimus evolve, not just as a machine, but as a symbol of innovation and a giant leap forward in technology. Unlike other robots that are simply programmed to perform basic tasks, Optimus is built on Tesla's self-driving software platform. It doesn't just see the world through camera eyes, it processes information like an artificial neural network, similar to how humans perceive and react to their surroundings. With an astonishing pace of innovation, Tesla has surpassed long-standing players in the robotics industry in just 2 years. If a Tesla car is essentially a four-wheeled AI-driven robot, then Optimus is the embodiment of AI in human form. Before continuing the conversation about Optimus, please help us subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and share, so that we have more motivation to launch analysis videos, as well as share the latest updates about Optimus. Thank you. In our view, the real value of Optimus isn't just in its technology, it's in its mission, freeing humans from boring, dangerous, and repetitive jobs. Imagine a world where factory workers no longer have to do back-breaking labor, where the elderly never feel lonely, because Optimus is there to care for them and keep them company. This isn't some sci-fi fantasy, it's a future that Tesla is actively building. We believe that by 2026, when Optimus enters mass production and hits the market, the world will witness a revolution. Barriers of cost, technology, and public perception will start to break down. And the question won't be if Optimus will succeed, but when we'll have one of these robots in our own homes. Like Elon Musk, the CEO of Mercedes-Benz has painted a bold vision for the near future. Humans may no longer be needed in car manufacturing plants across Europe. According to him, not just Mercedes-Benz, but all German automakers could fully automate their production lines to stay competitive with China. Mercedes-Benz has already taken a step into this new era with its humanoid robot pilot project. They claim that within the next 5 years, these robots won't just work alongside humans, they could completely replace factory workers. Meanwhile, in China, companies like BYD, NIO, Huawei, and Toyota are racing to integrate robots into production at an astonishing pace.
But then, assuming things go well, we'll 10x that output next year. So we'll aim to do maybe 50 to 100,000 humanoid robots next year, and then 10x it again the following year. It's like 500,000 robots in 3 years.
Earlier this year, Elon Musk made an insane declaration. Tesla plans to mass produce between 500,000 and 1 million robots by 2027. Even this year, at least 5,000 to 10,000 Tesla bots are expected to roll out from the Fremont factory, with that number projected to skyrocket to 50,000 to 100,000 Optimus units by 2026, marking Tesla's official entry into the humanoid robot market. What's even more striking is Musk's belief that Tesla can scale Optimus production exponentially. potentially increasing output tenfold each year. If this claim had come from any other company, it might have been dismissed as unrealistic or overhyped. But with Tesla, this could be a future that's closer than we think.
So everything we've developed for our cars, the batteries, power electronics, the advanced motors, gearboxes, the software, the AI inference computer, it all actually applies to a humanoid robot.
Despite having little experience in robotics, Elon Musk has boldly claimed that Tesla can mass-produce Optimus at just $10,000, a shockingly low price in the world of humanoid robots. Tesla's secret? Transferring technology from electric vehicles to robots. Instead of building everything from scratch, Tesla is leveraging what it does best: batteries, motors, sensors, actuators, cameras, and a host of other key components, all designed and manufactured in-house. These parts were originally optimized for cost efficiency in the EV industry, and now they're giving Tesla a major advantage in developing Optimus. On top of that, Tesla isn't reliant on external supply chains like many other robotics companies. The Optimus production and assembly line at the Fremont factory is already running smoothly, cutting costs and speeding up manufacturing. Initially, many expected Optimus to be built at Giga Texas, but reality turned out differently. That factory still seems to be prioritized for bigger projects like the Cybertruck, Cybercab, and Tesla's next-gen EVs. If Tesla can bring Optimus to market at a final price of $20,000, it would almost guarantee that Optimus becomes the world's first truly affordable and widely adopted humanoid robot, rather than just another expensive prototype like those before it. This is something that almost no competitor has managed to achieve. Here's a fact you probably didn't see coming. In an interview, even the CEO of Boston Dynamics, the pioneering robotics company, admitted that Tesla might accomplish in a few years what they've been striving for over 3 decades to achieve.
The Tesla team are making great progress in 1 year, building a couple of machines, from scratch. That's remarkable. They're shining a spotlight on the importance of this technology, which we've been arguing for 30 years. So I think that only helps us.
Yeah.
This raises a huge question. If Tesla truly delivers on this promise, how will the world change? Are we inching closer to an era where robots aren't just tools but an integral part of the global workforce? According to Elon Musk, around 10,000 Optimus robots will be produced this year, but only for internal use. What does this mean? We believe Tesla isn't rushing to push Optimus onto the market. Instead, they're training these robots inside their own factories, allowing them to gather real-world data and adapt to various tasks. If testing goes well, Optimus won't just be doing simple jobs like cleaning, transporting parts, or organizing battery packs. It could actually take on critical roles in EV production lines. Last year, reports that Optimus was still being remotely operated led many to wonder, will it really be autonomous when it launches? After all, if a humanoid robot still requires a human controlling its every move, how useful is it really? Now, imagine buying an Optimus, only to find out that instead of instantly helping with tasks, you have to manually program every action, something that could take weeks or even months. Sounds pretty frustrating, right? A robot only has real value if it can learn and adapt on its own, not if it needs to be teleoperated. But this is where many people get it wrong. Tesla isn't remotely controlling Optimus because it's not ready. It's doing so because this is the fastest way to accelerate AI learning. Think about how humans learn. We observe, mimic, and gradually understand processes. Optimus works the same way. It doesn't need to be manually programmed for every single task. Instead, by simply watching enough examples, it can infer patterns and execute jobs it was never explicitly taught.
It can watch a video of something like a person and then learn just by looking at that video and do that task.
What makes this new gene of robots different? AI. With reinforcement learning and large language models, these bots don't just follow commands. They learn, adapt, and figure things out on their own.